create a website for Google Play Store apps and privacy policy. Okay, so before you're able to finish setting up or creating up your app in Google Play Console, you have to have a policy privacy website. Okay, so when you come in there and click on view tags, you're going to see that the first task here is that you have to set a privacy policy. So when you click on it to select it, over here you need a privacy policy URL from your own website. Okay, that shows the privacy policy of your app. Okay, that you are going to paste it right here. Let me show you what I mean. So when I come here to my phone and then I come here to my app, this is my app. Let me tap on the app icon for you to see. So from the app settings, okay, let me tap on the settings for you to see. When I scroll down, you are going to see that from here, I have a privacy policy. So let me tap on it for you to see. So this is the in-app privacy policy. Okay, but when you scroll down, you see that I have an online one. Okay, so as you can see, you have the online privacy policy. Let me tap on it for you to see. It's going to bring me right here to my website that shows the public privacy policy just for my app. And this is the page that you need. So every app you have to have it. Okay, so I created this website using AI for completely awesomely built with AI. Okay, and as you can see from here, I have the page just for my app. And when I come here to the about section, you can see that when I come here, you see that I have a policy privacy. So when I come in and click on view privacy policy, it's going to bring me right here to the page where I have the privacy policy for my app. Okay, the one that I'm going to publish to Play Store. So let me show you how I can also create a website that is having a privacy policy for you. So I'm going to have a link in the video description. Just click on, it's going to bring you right here to this platform. That is where I'm going to select our hosting. Okay, so simply come here to where we have the product and come and click on this down arrow. And then from here, where we have the product, come here to where we have the hosting and then come and click on it. Okay, so when I click on it, it's going to bring you right here to the hosting and come and select the web hosting. So just click on it. It's going to open just like this. Okay, so when you scroll down over here, you have to come and then select the plan. Come and click on this down arrow. And the plan that we're going to go for is the 12 months plan. Just click on it to select it. Okay, so after selecting it, we are going to go with the unlimited one. Okay, so with that, this is the amount that we're going to pay per month. Okay, simply come here and come and click on choose plan. When you click on it, it's going to bring you right here. The main reason why you are going with this plan is that you are going to get a free domain for 1 year. It comes along with the plan. Okay, so when you come here, you're going to see the total amount that you are going to pay. And I have a coupon code for you. Okay, so simply come to where it says have a coupon code and come and click on it and come and put in this exact coupon code, the exact name and spelling, and that is N Educate. Put in this exact coupon code right here. You can find it in the video description. Okay, and then come and click on apply. So when you click on it, it is going to give you a discount off. Okay, so as you can see, coupon code applied, and from the top here, you can see that it is 10%, okay, of the total cost, and this is the amount that you're going to get off. Okay, so use it. It's in the video description. Click on the link and then use the coupon code and come and click on continue. And over here, simply come and then register. So come and put your email address, your password, and after that, simply come and then click on register to register. Okay, and then make the payment. It's going to bring you right here to your hosting each panel, and then from here, simply come here to where we have the website and come and click on it. It's going to bring you right here to the website. Okay, and you're going to see that the plan that you purchase is here just like this. And in front of the plan, you're going to see we have add a website here. Simply come and then click on add website. And you're going to see that all these options is going to come. You're going to go with WordPress. Okay, so simply come and then click on WordPress to select it. After clicking on it over here, you can come and then claim your free domain by just typing it right inside the box to claim your free domain. I have successfully claimed mine. So I'm simply going to select this one, that is neducateapps.com. And this is the free domain that I'm going to use to create my website. Okay, so after that, simply come here and then come and click on the next. And that is it. It's going to bring you right here, whereby you're going to choose a location that is closer to you. Okay, so by default, it's going to select the one that is closer to you. You can leave it as it is, or you can come and click on this down arrow. You are going to see different options, okay? But so always go with the one that is closer to you. So as you can see, this is the closest one. So I'm simply going to go with the default one, okay? By clicking on the arrow, and it is selected. So as you can see, I've selected the one that is closest to me. Then I'll come and then click on the next, okay? And it's going to bring you right here where you have to come and then put in your password. I recommend you put in a strong password. So come and click on this I arrow, and then simply come and then clear what is there already by highlighting it, then clear it. Okay, it is going to show the automatic password. Come and can click on choose your own, and after that come and then put in a strong password that goes with all these check mark. Okay, and after that simply come and then click on create website with AI. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here. It's going to first install the WordPress. Okay, and it's going to open the AI chat box just like this. And all that you have to do is simply come here to where you have the chat box and then come and paste in the prompt. So the prompt, I have a link in the video description. Click on it. It's going to bring you right here to this prompt. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply come and then scroll down and come here to where it says build website for Android app privacy policy prompt. Come here to where the prompt starts. Come and highlight it from the top to the button just like this. After that, come and put the mouse on it. Come and then right click on it and come and click on copy to copy the whole prompt. After copying the whole prompt, simply open Notepad and come and paste in the prompt inside it just like this. And over here, where we have the website name, okay, you can see that it says enter your website name here. Just highlight everything and come and write the name of the website that you want for your Android apps. Okay, and where it says the first app name, that is the thing that you have to put in. That is the first thing that you have to put in. That is your first app name, the Android app that you have built, the one that you want to create a privacy policy for. After that, highlight the whole prompt, put the mouse on it, right click on it, then come and click on copy to copy the whole prompt. After that, come and paste the whole prompt inside the chat box just like this. And you see that after pasting it, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on the submit button. Okay, it will show just like this, and it is going to build your website for you. You don't have to write a single line of code. You are going to go through this short setup. Okay, so the first thing is to come and make sure that Elementor is selected. The language, you can select English, and then the brand name, just select the one or leave it as it is, the one that you selected, and then simply come and then click on continue. Okay, after that, it's going to bring you right here. And these are the menus that it's going to create for you. You will see that your app name is among it. Make sure that it is included and then simply come and then click on confirm. Okay. After that, you are going to see that it is going to show just like this. You can come and then put in your email address here. After that, you can come and then put in your contact. You can come and then choose your phone number. Okay. And then if you want a website, come and then check this box to add a website button to your website and come and then click on the continue. Okay, and that is it. It's going to bring you right here. You can add your socials, but it is optional. So I'm simply going to leave it and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, and after that, over here, you are going to see that it's going to create your website for you. So just give it some time and to create a website. So as you can see, it has successfully created a website. You can go through and then check it. Okay, so from here, we have my website name, and then I have my menus right here, and it is having my privacy policy, and it is also having everything that I wanted. You can also come and then preview it in the phone mode by clicking on the phone, and you can see how your website is going to look on mobile as well. Okay, so when you are okay with it, simply come here, then come and select the desktop mode as well, and then simply come and then click on not now. So this message is going to pop up. You can read it, but all that you have to do is simply come and then click on set up in WP admin. So it's going to open your dashboard just like this. You can come and hide this chat, okay, from WordPress. Simply come and then put the mouse on visit site and click on it, and that is it. Your website has successfully been created, okay, and it is having everything, your website name, the privacy policy from here. As you can see, we have the privacy policy here, and then we have the page for our app. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here to the page for your app that contains your privacy policy. So when you come here to where you have the privacy policy and then come and click on it, you see that you have your privacy policy page as well. So this is actually how to create a website for your Google Studio Android apps that are going to publish to Google Play Store. Like the video and then see you in my next video.